Hi, today I will show you how to import and export WordPress content. So at first, we will import the content. So let's do that. Click on Tools and then click on Import. Then click on Run Importer. Alright, here is the screen. You can choose an XML file to import all contents of your website. So click on Choose File. Okay, here is my XML file. I am just selecting it. Alright, now click on Upload File and Import. Okay, I'm assigning an user. Click on Download and Import File Attachments. So all the pictures and videos will be attached to your post. Then click on Submit. Post page's contents will be imported right now. Wait a few moments. Okay, alright. Everything has been imported here and some media existed. So let's click on Have Fun, and now we can see that the 46 posters, 4 pages and 1 comment at this moment. And our website was previously nothing found, but now it's populated with all the contents here. Yes, all the contents have been imported here. And now we'll see how we can export these content. Exporting content is super easy. Just click on Tools, then click on Export. Okay, the all content is selected already. So if you click on Download Export File, all the contents will be downloaded in an XML file. Click on Download Export File. Alright, so the XML file has been downloaded. You can use this file to import all the contents to any of your website. You have already learned how to import and export WordPress content. Thank you.